I presented is giving you some rationale as to why we should not, or if we do eat fish, eat the small fish and in very meager quantities. So basically, when Jesus was on this earth, we had no industries, we had none of these issues that we have today, and there were no industrial waste and chemicals to pollute the water. And in Ellen G. White says in Councils on Diet and Foods, in many places, and she said this, over 100 years ago, in many places, fish become so contaminated by the filth on which they feed as to be a cause of disease. This is especially the case where the fish come in contact with the sewage of large cities. The fish that are fed on the contents of the drains may pass into distant waters and may be caught where the water is pure and fresh. Thus, when used as a food, they bring disease and death on those who do not suspect the danger.
Amen.
So here, like Pastor Clarence was saying, we were given counsel long ago. So this was, like I said, an eye-opener for me, and it's changed the way I eat. I do still eat a little fish, and that's only since I came to Korea because of, sometimes the difficulty in getting other sources, other protein sources. But I used to be everywhere I went, I would be looking for fish. So I hope that it's helped you in making choices for health. And so that's my prayer, is that whatever we do, make sure that we should reflect God's image, and that if we don't take care of our health, how can we be an instrument? How can we be a vessel to help to spread the gospel and to finish His work?
Amen.
So I pray that we will use this information to follow God's counsel for us.
I have a question. Quick question here. Yeah, just a quick question. Actually, two questions.
Yes.
There's omega-3 I know about, but omega-6 is also very prevalent in fish. Can you get that in vegetarian sources easily?
Omega-3
Omega-6.
and omega-6 can both be gotten in plant sources, but what they say is that the omega-3 from plant sources, the linoleic acid, is not, it's a controversy that it may not be as a good heart and brain protector as the animal source.
Okay.
Fatty acid.
One more
So
question.
they're both, 3 and 6 are from plant.
Okay, one more question
Yes.
also. Is there a difference between clean fish and unclean fish in terms of the toxicity?
And I haven't done that. Well, as you can see, they both accumulate these toxins.
Right.
But I don't know if the unclean fish accumulates it in a higher level, at a higher degree.
Okay.
I haven't done that research. That's a good question.
Probably because they're scavengers and they're eating the garbage and the
So
sewage. I think it would be much higher.
Yes, I would think so. Which is why, you see the swordfish and the towelfish. Towelfish is the highest.
It's like the pig eating all the garbage and.